SnapCut is a magnetic titanium quick-release keychain connector that is currently on Kickstarter. It is made of GR5 titanium, has a built-in hidden cutting tool, and can rotate 360 degrees. Here are some of the features of the SnapCut. Made of high-quality GR5 titanium, built-in hidden cutting tool, 360-degree rotation, quick-release design, durable and corrosion-resistant, compact and lightweight, stylish and elegant. Overall, the SnapCut is a great EDC keychain that offers a lot of features and benefits. It is made of high-quality materials, has a built-in cutting tool, and can rotate 360 degrees. It is also durable, corrosion-resistant, compact, lightweight, and stylish. If you are looking for a high-quality EDC keychain, the SnapCut is a great option. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.